didn't give them all up.
It was his fault.
Hey, you don't have much room to speak there, mister.
I didn't know she was in heat.
You know, one guy told me, he said, his wife said, do not leave them two dogs out together. The female's in heat, so don't leave them out together. She come home and she says, now you didn't leave them out together. He says, yeah, I turned them out for a little bit. I could trust them for a little while. Guess what?
I could trust them.
I turned my back about 10 seconds.
Yep.
He was stopped, and that was the end of it.
Hey. Look at making fun.
Now we got these little terrors.
See, that's, he's doing better if he does now. He's doing 4 points.